What is up, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. So on this one I'm pretty excited because I finally decided to pick up the roof racks that I had at my mom's place. They've been there for some time now. They were in pretty bad shape. I will go ahead and post pictures here so you guys can see the condition those were in. They were terrible, man. They look like garbage, but we got them all cleaned up. And after getting them all cleaned up, we did touch them up with a little bit of trim paint that we got from our local parts store. And let me show them to you now. And then these are the caps here. Now for the logo, what I ended up doing was that I ended up getting a paint stripper. I covered the surrounding, right? And then with like some paint stripper just rubbed on it. And yeah, the logo is back to life. This is the paint that we used by Duplicolor. It's trim and bumper paint. And it didn't have any option whether it was like flat, black, or gloss, or matte, whatever. It just came like this. There you go. Now, while I have installed roof racks on a Volkswagen before, I've never installed roof racks on a two-door, which should be slightly different. Let me show you. So on the four doors, it's simple because you just peel this back a little. All right, just like that, and bam. You will see these two where the rack sits on both sides. And since you have four doors, you open up the rear doors, peel it back, same thing. You will see these two back here. But since we have no door, I think they latch onto this. So that's gonna be interesting. We'll figure this one out. Meanwhile, I'll have the front one installed. Now, before I install them, I did buy this trim here to replace the one that was on here. The one that was on here was terrible. It was really, really bad. I bought this one. Yeah, so this one fits on real nice. It looks like this. All right, nothing fancy. And I guess just to make life easier, I could just fit it on from this side and then slide it all the way, just like so. You know what? Never mind. Maybe I'll just fit it and then slap it on. Oh yeah. Yeah, it fits good. All right, and then I'll chop it off from here. There you go. Just like so. All right, then we'll do the same to this one. Now it's on for the cap. So this one kind of goes in sideways, goes in the rail, and then boom, covers up. And we'll just lock it in place. Bam. Alright, so we put this sideways, slide it in place. Alright, and then the key. Voila. It's good. Alright, so the front ones are easy, done, good to go. Now for the rear, yeah, that's the part kind of scared of. Never done it before. But let's go try it. So left. So it's gonna go like this. I don't know how the hell it sits. Somewhere like that. I mean, where does it even sit, first of all? You know what I mean? Like, is it here? It doesn't show. I would say somewhere like here, give or take. I don't even know, man. I don't know. I'm scared. All right, let me unscrew this because I remember I tightened that up. Okay, well this one is loose. Oh look, it does go into this groove here. Okay. I think that looks good. I don't even know. I do need to loosen this one up for sure. Yeah, that one was tight. Okay. And then it kind of wants to go down. Oh yeah, it does. Look at that. That's cool. Alright. There you go. Okay. I think this part should sit like flush, and it's not sitting flush yet. Is the other part sitting flush? Kinda. Okay, maybe I need to loosen this one up. Okay. Let me see. There you go, it's looking better. Now let's try the other side. Oh yeah. Okay, does it need to be moved? It does. Oh yeah. Ooh, right there. That looks spot on. You see it? Okay, so I'm gonna lock it in place right here. This is its home for sure. Something like that. And then this grabs onto the edge right here. Okay. Alright, before I tighten this one up, let's go check the other side. Oh yeah, that looks real good. It looks good, guys. It looks good. Yeah. Alright, so we're gonna tighten this side up too. I think that side is somewhat tight, I guess. Alright. So now I gotta tighten this screw up without overdoing it, you know. Gotta be careful here. Okay, that feels pretty tight. I'm gonna go do the other one now. All right, I think that's tight enough. Now I'm gonna go get the caps. This, and then slide in. Something like that, right? It's supposed to slide in. Bam. Perfect. All right, last one. All right, now for this one, we got a special one. Check this out. Yeah, this one got a little bit chewed up by our dog, so it should still work, right? So I guess just go in. Come on. Oh, it's not going in. Let me see what I need to do. Oh yeah, it went in, no problem. Okay, and then just tighten it up. Wait, which side is it? The other way. There you go. Perfect. And we got job done on the racks. All right, so I'm about to show you how the car looks with the racks on. I think it looks great, but I also did another thing. It's getting kind of warm, it's getting kind of hot, so it's something I was gonna do eventually, and I just you know what, let's go ahead and get it over with. Let's do it. I tinted the windows, so let me show you how it looks. Back window looks pretty dark now. The side window, you can barely see through it. But yeah, all in all, these two in the back are 20s, and then this one in the front is 35. So that's what we got, and that's how the rack looks. Racks.